Kim here, the Hammond Doc. Okay, I'm working on this keyboard amplifier, and I'm adding this fan to the inside of the amplifier. Let me show you what I've done so far. Okay, so I've taken some zip ties and placed them through the holes here to form a type of bracket to be able to suspend this fan on the inside of the amplifier. Okay, I've also place longer screws here and here, and I've taken bus wire and put it in between two nuts here to secure it. So that's tight, that's right, and that's ready. And over here, and so I will suspend the fan using these bus wires here. And so what